Hello everyone.
We are back, guys. New episode. We are going to show you about our week here. And first of all, we had a lot of rain this week, very much rain. And we did two great trips, hikes. First, we went for some fruits, and we went fishing, foraging, and fishing, as you see in the title. And we are going to show you a lot about that. And yeah, everything else we have been doing this week. We have also sad news. We lost another two family members. We are also going to tell you more about that. And yeah, some planting and the regular work around here. And yeah, this time to start, we have some animal videos. And another special, some photos of fungi. Well, we told you it has been raining a lot, so they pop up everywhere. And yeah, we made a collection of some photos. So have fun watching. So the neighbor wanted to show us a place where there's a big lemon tree where we can collect lemons. We don't have our own yet. We hope next year. So let's go and see what we can find. Okay, wow, it was very exhausting our trip, but it was a full success. Look, so many lemons, and even better, so many of these mamoncillos, and they are so good and sweet. It's amazing. So we are going to plant the last of the little tree tomato trees we got, and this time we also got them a nice shady spot here, and this time we got donkey poop from the neighbor, and we are going to put a nice quantity of donkey poop in the planting hole, and yeah, we'll see if like this we can fertilize it a little bit, make it grow a little bit better. Would be very nice. The first ones we planted, they are not doing super good, but they are still alive, which is a great sign, because we are always pretty worried about them, because we are in very hot climate here, and normally they grow up in the mountains and they don't like our hot climate. So we are very happy that the first ones are still alive and made it so far. So we are already in this work. So we are going to plant here close to the chicken coop some more of the little uchuvas, the frisales. And look at the chickens. They are very curious what's happening here. Whoa, crazy night. I think this might be the worst thunderstorm we are living so far. It's coming down so much water, lightning and thunder like crazy, and so much wind as well. It's like raining inside the house. It's crazy. Like half of the house, because of the wind and the house is so open, is wet. It's crazy. We are going to give you some impressions. We are making flour again, plantain, and we decided to change things up now a little bit. We decided we are not going to sell any plantain or yuca or anything anymore. We are keeping it all here, and we will make a lot more our own flour, and also we are going to try to feed plantain, yuca, all of this stuff more to the animals. Because, well, it has been a nice income, but if we think about it, it doesn't make any sense taking all the stuff to the village. But we have to buy flour, we have to buy food for the animals. So we think it could be even cheaper, and well, at least also we know for sure what our animals are eating, which is also a great bonus. So yeah. Could be that in the future you won't see like these pictures or videos with 10 bunches of plantain, because we won't need to cut them down all for one occasion where we go to the village and sell them. So we can more like cut down one or two every day as we need it. Even leave more to ripen on the plant, ripen a little bit more, because the chickens, they love the ripe plantain. The green one they do not like too much. The green one is for us to eat, is for us to make flour and this stuff. So yeah, maybe we hope that there will be great harvest pictures and videos, but not like with so much plantain, but with more different stuff. And yeah, that's what we are going to change now. Well, at least we are going to try. We are going to try how it's going. And we will keep you updated on that. We have to bury another one. It's Posty, the rooster. Found him dead. And well, now the poor duck is really all on her own, and we really don't know what to do. We already were thinking about getting her a new companion, but now it's like here is like having her on a plate, presented for we don't know which hunter. But taking her out here now is also a bad option, because she already like is enjoying so much having a pond, and if you take her out and take her to another place now, she will be without water again. uh, which is also a bad option, so we really don't know what we are going to do. We showed you how we totally cut back this maracuja plant, this huge maracuja plant, and now I wanted to show you that we didn't kill it. Look, there are so many new shoots coming out. So our plan did work quite well, and now we can control it a little bit better in the future, hopefully.
Hallo! Wir haben heute den Hühnerstall von den kleinen Hühnern sauber gemacht und die kriegen jetzt frisches Gras. Und guck mal, wie groß die schon sind. Und wir haben einen Spielplatz für die gemacht, dass sie spielen.
Look at that, our cat Michi. She's having her siesta, and the birds are having their fiesta inside our house. So you hear it, it's raining again. We have a quite rainy week, but it's not as crazy as last week. And yeah, we told you we want to use more, make more own flour and use it more. So we are now making experiment. We are going to make some cookies. We also collected so many lemons, we don't know what to do. So we are now making our cookies with our own plantain flour and with lemon flavor. And yeah, we're going to make them now, and later on we are going to show you. The cookies are ready to go inside the oven. So we got the cookies out now. We already discovered the first problem. They are parting super easily. But we are going to let them cool down now and see if it maybe gets a little bit better, and then we are going to taste if at least they are tasting good. Let them cool down, and it got better. They are not falling apart completely anymore, and they are tasting very, very, very good. We may have to experiment a little bit more, but we are very happy with the results so far. And now, of course, we are going to try more plantain with the rest of the heat in the oven to produce more flour.
We are searching for worms.
We want to go fishing, so we need some bait, but we also want to start maybe a little worm farm, so that's why we are looking for worms all over now.
We got a lot. We was working and we don't know what happened with this little chick. He's having a bad day, a bad time. We hope he gets better.
The little one didn't make it. To be honest, it seemed like a spider may have bitten it, but we can't know for sure. Maybe it just got sick. Well, it's very sad, but for now the important thing is that the other 4 are doing fine still. So, earlier this week we said no more big plantain harvest. Well, we were wrong, but we didn't change our mind. We won't sell any of this. The point is, it's raining so much this week, so we had to get them down. When it's raining so much, the plants with the bunches, they tend to fall over. So we have to get them down before they fall over. Going fishing! Yay! This time Anyul can also go. It will be very much fun, and of course we are going to take you with us. Let's go! Oh, finally we got one. We started pretty bad today, and that's a big one. So here we go.
Está enredado allá. ¡Tarán!
So there's a little bit of water entering, so all the time we have to get the water out.
This is the way.
Y la tuya es esta.
So that's been the trip. We didn't catch too much, but we will have 1 or 2 meals, so that's fine. And it was a lot of fun also.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's also it for this week. We hope you liked the video. If you did like it, leave the thumb up. As usually, leave us a like, subscribe, and hopefully we see you next week. And if you like
You help
our
us.
project and want to buy us a virtual coffee, we would be very grateful for that as well. You can find the link in our video description. See you.
Bye.